Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all stay tuned because I am going to show you something magical to do with a roll of wrapping paper. Stay tuned. Y'all, welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all so much for the wonderful ways in which you support me and my channel. And thank you to everyone who makes a conscious choice to leave a positive and uplifting comment. I really do appreciate those. Y'all, I buy a lot of wrapping paper, and I normally buy it when it's on sale, especially after Christmas. There are so many things that you can do with a roll of wrapping paper. So whether you're selling it or you're gifting it, you're going to want to grab a roll of wrapping paper after this. So I'm going to flip to my overhead camera because y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, y'all, so here's the wrapping paper that we're going to be using. This wrapping paper is about 30 inches long. There was a whole bunch of it on the roll when I bought it. I've used a lot of it in crafting as well as gift giving from the time that I bought it last year until now. I like to buy the wrapping paper that has these grid marks on the inside because these grid marks really help us to stay straight with what we're about to do. So here's what we're about to do. So I'm going to take my roll of wrapping paper and open it. Now I'm not giving any exact measurements because this is just a quick process share. So once I have it the way that I want, I am just going to take this piece and line it up with the mark that I want. However wide I want for it to be. Then I'll use my finger blade and I can see the line where I need to start cutting. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to cut following the grid line with my finger blade. Now you can use your scissors, you can use a rotary cutter, whatever is going to work best for you. I'm using my finger blade because it is what works best for me. So now that I have my two pieces folded like this, they aren't going to be exactly even, but we can clean that up in just a few minutes. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to open this and I am going to count off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to do that going across. So I stop here at 6. And I'm going to take my tape and just run a strip of tape until I get here. And then I'll go ahead and run a strip of tape over here. So I'll be doing this all the way across. So in this section here, I am not going to make a mark, but I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'll take my tape and on the outside where that 1 is, I'll make a mark. And then on the outside of the 6, I'll make another mark with my tape. Now I'm going to skip that and we count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm just writing this here so that you guys will see what I'm doing. I ordinarily wouldn't write on it if I was doing this off camera. So now I'll add another strip of tape here and a strip of tape on the outside of that 6. We skip this and we start over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the outside of the 1 block and on the outside of the 6 block. So this is what your piece would look like. You'll have adhesive here, adhesive on the outside of the 6, adhesive on the outside of the 1, adhesive on the outside of the 6, adhesive on the outside of the 1, and adhesive on the outside of the 6, adhesive on the outside of the 1, and adhesive on the outside of the 6. So now all we have to do is take this and fold it over like this. And then you just cut in between that area that you made the squiggly marks. And so you can see it there. And I can hold it up and I can see that. So that's the only place where I would make a mark because we're going to be cutting through it. So we just keep cutting through. I can also see my tape line. You can't see it, but I can see the tape line right there. And I can see the tape line right over here. So I know I need to cut in the middle. Then I can see my tape line right here. And I just need to cut right there. And so now what you end up with are 4 really nice little bags that you can use for any reason at all. But we're not done with them yet. But y'all, wasn't that quick and easy? And so now we can take some decorative edge scissors and go across the top. And in case you don't know, y'all, they sell these scissors at the Dollar Tree too. And so there's one. I'm just going to take my straight scissors and cut across. There's 2. I'm going to reduce this one in size just a little bit because you might want some varying sizes of bags. And then I think I'll reduce this one in size 2. Then I'm just going to go back and use my decorative edge scissors on this bag. And so now what we have, y'all, is we have some little bags that you can use to put items in. If you're making items to sell, these are great little bags that you can make in a hurry using wrapping paper. Just lay down the glue or the tape in the same way that I just did, and you're going to be able to make bags just like this. Then you can add some little decorative elements to your bag. We can take this, we can put it right there. Then we can take a sticker and put it right there. Or let's say you want to put branding on your bag. You can do that as well. So you can take one of your little stickers and just place it down. That way, when you sell something to someone and you place it in this little bag, they'll know who made it and who sold it to them. And so you can just take your stickers and use those stickers as a way of decorating these bags that you made from wrapping paper in absolutely no time. You don't have to make your bags as wide as I made mine. You can certainly take your bags. You can make them skinnier. You can make them taller. You can make them wider. You don't have to do what I have done here to my bag. It's completely up to you. But this is just a quick little Wednesday share that I thought I would bring to you guys because you probably have wrapping paper and from time to time you might need a really quick bag. Well, y'all, this is a very quick and easy way to take that wrapping paper and make magic with it. Take that wrapping paper, mark it off the way that I did, and then you can create a whole bunch of bags all at once. You can take that whole roll of wrapping paper and make some of the most beautiful bags quickly. So I hope that you have enjoyed this quick and easy way to use wrapping paper for other ways instead of wrapping a gift. It is perfect for this. And if you find the wrapping paper that has the grid lines on the back, that makes this a whole lot easier. But this can be done even if you don't have grid line paper. So just imagine all of the bags that you can make with the beautiful wrapping papers that you have. So again, I hope that you have enjoyed today's super awesome little share. If you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.